Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. If you have been following my channel, you know that aside from makeup and skincare obsession, I'm also into perfume and scents. And I have been eyeing on getting myself this Diptyque candles for the longest time, but I just can't get around on letting me buy a $100 candle. But while I was at Holt and went through, I finally caved in and bought myself a set of the mini candles. They are 154 Canadian dollars for a set of 3 scents. So I thought it's a great deal. This set includes BAIES, FIGUER, and Roses. And boy, now I really think they are so worth it, and I don't think I will ever let go of them. It's not just a candle, it's an experience, and it's a lavish experience. The first set that I'm going to show and review for you is called BAIES, which in English is berries. BAIES is a concoction of roses, blackcurrant, and sweet berries. BAIES has a sophisticated fruity smell which is more relaxing than the usual vibrant, elevating scents that most berry toned candles have, thanks to the underlying rose notes that gives the scent a lax note. No wonder LeBron James and Gal Gadot love this candle. I love lighting this scent in our master's bedroom. The next scent is called FIGUER, which in English is figs. And while figs seem to be an unusual scent for a candle, the Diptyque FIGUER candle is just pure indulgence. The scent is fresh and green. It's a very unisex scent. It's not overpowering and not too feminine. The scent of this candle is made from the crushed leaves of the fig tree. It's slightly fruity, but then it's balanced with fresh, woody green notes. I love burning this scent in our living room. I think it's a perfect scent for areas where people are coming and going and don't want to be welcomed by a heavy scent and just enjoy the relaxing ambience it provides. Even Victoria Beckham made this candle her signature fragrance at her Dover Street store in London. The last scent is Roses. This scent is so realistic. There's no guessing what it reminds you of. There's no artificial notes. It's just straight up full-bodied rose scent. It's a great candle to light on candlelight dinner or when you want to have a relaxing bubble bath with wine in one hand. Now, do I regret purchasing a very expensive candle? Not at all. All Diptyque candles are designed with the highest quality in mind, made with only natural ingredients since Diptyque has never used synthetic scents. The candle fragrances is comparable to the quality of scents you will find in the best perfumes. They are also hand-poured in Paris, which we know is home of some of the best fragrances and perfumeries in the world. And production can only be done in small batches, hence the heavy price tag. When it comes to lighting the candles, it was very quick to light and the flame burned huge and steady. And when I blew the candle's flame out, it did not release any plume of white smoke to cloud the room, and the scent lingered long after the flame was extinguished. So this splurge is so worth it. I hope you guys like my review on these candles, and if you did, please don't forget to like this video, please don't forget to share it with your friends, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is out. Thanks for watching. Bye!